Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this blue eye look with blue brows. I honestly don't know where this idea came from for me to do some color brows, but I decided to try something new today. So if you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching. So I'm gonna start off, of course, with my eyebrows, and I'm taking the Blue Moon palette by ColourPop. And okay, y'all, at first I was gonna use Fine China, which is at the bottom, but I realized it was too dark and it really wasn't showing up on my eyebrows. So then I switched to Starry Eye, which you're gonna see later on, and that was just like 10 times better. It popped. I didn't put any primer or like glue my eyebrows up with the glue stick. Like, I didn't do any of that. Maybe next time I'll try something different, but I mean, this seems to be pretty pigmented, and I think this is my first time using the color, actually this palette. So I think it did a really good job as far as it goes with pigment. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe, and I'm just gonna carve up my eyebrows. This process honestly wasn't that hard. I kind of just, of course, pretended as if like I filled in my eyebrows with a regular pencil or pomade. I did though have to go back in and just fill in like the little spaces, or just make it a little bit more pigmented. But other than that, it literally was the same exact thing as if I were doing my brows on a regular day. And now that I'm done concealing, I'm just gonna blend everything out. So now I'm going to take my Il Makiage foundation. This is the Woke Up Like This foundation shade 230. And I'm going to mix it with some concealer to give me a nice clean base. Once I mix both shades together and pat out the excess, I'm going to set it with my Black Opal setting powder. That is in the shade Medium. And then I'm going to go ahead and get started on my eyeliner. So now I'm going to take my NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm going to give myself a nice wing liner. So now that my liner is done, I'm just deciding between these two glitters. I decided that I was going to use a dark blue and an iridescent one, and I'm using my dual lash glue to just apply like a line on top of the black liner. And that's it. This came out okay. I wish I had an actual like glitter liner, but this worked fine. So now that all of that is finished, I'm going to be taking this blue liner I got from the beauty supply store. I already used this in a previous video, so you guys should probably already know that. But I'm going to just apply that to my lower lash line, apply some mascara, and let you guys watch me finish the rest of my face.
Trap House Mob.
So guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Like, I think this was really different, and in another tutorial I think I'm gonna try some colored brows again. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share this, and follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked down below. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.